Camshaft Position Timing Over-Advanced or System Performance Bank 1. This happens all the time, and why always P0014? In this video, I am going to explain everything to you to understand and also figure out how mechanics themselves create these problems more often than even car users. I told you several times not to lock any sprocket or camshaft freezer. As soon as you do that, you may start facing this problem and it will never solve until you find the right freezer or camshaft sprocket to change it. That's why all the time this code, so look at how fresh it is, but someone has tempered it and it been locked, so this is sending wrong signal to the engine ECU, and whenever you clear this light 100 times the pending code will come because it may causing wrong information to the engine ECU. So as I always said, never try to lock this thing at all. Whenever you encounter it and it's not good, look for a better one, proper one, genuine one to change it. If you change it and there's still the code existing, that means the one you purchase is locked inside. Always I advise you to buy it from the complete home use engine. Never buy this from a Ghana use engine at all. Why? You know the engine is old and they have been working on it. So this is what we are going to do, and this timing is very simple. Once you set the TDC mount to the top dead center, you can remove the piston number 1 plug to reset it. One is on top, we are good to go. So I am going to change this particular camshaft so that I can able to work and solve this fault for him, because the customer brought this issue to me, complaining a lot and also explaining how mechanic has been tortured this, why he sent the car for engine overhauling, and after that they encountered this problem and the mechanic is insisting he has adjusted, and you can never adjust it. You can never open this and adjust it. If it is faulty, just change it and make sure you buy it from the person you trust. If you buy it from any person, you may buy the wrong thing. It has been locked. All the camshaft in the market has been locked, especially Abosokan. For those buying from that market, be very cautious. They may pretend to tell you, oh, it's good, it's genuine, it's fresh one, but they have opened it and locked it. So you come and fix it. Look at the things you are going to remove. You will fix it, and so the problem will be there, thinking it is electrical fault, and you may taking it to electrician from different at it is the camshaft that you change. Once it gives you the same code, please remove it and send it to where you buy it. Make sure to buy the right thing. If you buy the right thing and fix it, automatically the code will clear off, and this is how we do it. So make sure to always do the right thing at the right time, and we are here to guide you how to set the timing and also do it the right way to get the correct size. So you can see I have been replaced this, purchasing it from the right person, and it's good, it's not been locked. So I am boxing it and reset the timing to solve this problem once and for all. I don't like guesswork. Try and error is not my habit at all. Buying the right thing, genuine part to fix it is our priority. Solving customer problems is our priority, and we're also trying to make them happy all the time. So this is the replace one. This is not going to fix again. We just put it aside because I have already purchased a new one, and you can see the mark on it. This is removed from the engine that I trust the person well, and as I told you, I'm not going to buy anything that will make me do a guesswork. Open the front cover, you can see how it is, a delays of time, everything done later. So guys, P0014, you can see, is very, hesitating, like it's now generating more problems for car users and mechanics itself. Some mechanics know that whenever this thing is not good and you lock it, the problem will solve. The problem will not solve because whenever you clear this light 100 times, this light is the code is a pending code, so it will appear just a day or two or some few hours you drive, it will appear, it will not go. So I'm advising you to always change the VVTi freezer to help you do the genuine work and also build trust between you and the customer. This timing is very simple. As you can see, the camshaft loops are there, the top marks are there, which will enable you to do the right thing, and the chain itself will guide you to align the timing chain alignment, because they have marks, and that is why I like Toyota so much. All their chains have marks which enable and guide you to get the correct marks and the right timing at the right time. So kudos to Toyota, and I'm very sure other manufacturers are also willing to do so. Kudos to Honda. Honda is also doing good, very good when it comes to timing chain alignment. They always put marks on their chain for you to have easy access and do the right timing and the right time. So we have fixed this camshaft, and we are going to fix the timing chain and also start this car, and the final result is perfect. It was a correct start. Code vanished all of a sudden as soon as the engine starts, and these are the timing marks for Toyota. You don't need to struggle when it comes to reset timing. This is 2AR engine, and the timing is simple as it is. No hesitation, no struggling, nothing at all can worry you when it comes to chain timing reset. And I believe many of you who have issue with this timing will reach out to me. Don't hesitate yourself, feel free to reach out to me so that we can talk. If you have a car and this problem is hurting you for a very long time, bring it to Eric Auto Center. We will solve it for you once in a lifetime, and you'll be free to go. So my contact is on my page. If you want to interact with me personally, don't hesitate to drop your comment, DM me, and we will talk. And everything was successful, everything was good for this timing. Check the camshaft loops well before you set your timing, and also use the correct marks on the timing chain to do the right alignment, which is more important. And I always recommend disc work for auto technicians. And nowadays car owners, car users do more research than mechanics, because every problem I have been faced, every problem that they are facing brings them idea to do the research, and they support my channel. So this car is being start, engine is running all right, code vanish, performance is top notch, no engine hesitation, no malfunction, no rough idling, and it's excellent. So this is your home of auto and Ghana's #1 automotive channel. Please, if this video is very helpful to you, don't forget to share, like, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Center, I don't know what you are looking for. Please subscribe and click that notifications bell to stay updated whenever we upload new videos on this platform. More videos are coming. If you want a particular video for me to do for you, put in the comment section. If you have a car and it's giving you trouble about timing, engine, come on, bring it to Eric Auto Center. Overhauling, it's a top-notch suspension work, engine coding, relearning, latest computer diagnosis. We do everything at our end, and this is the code as you see. So we are going to work on this code to solve the customer problem. Thanks for watching A Record Center.